Hello guys, it's Mokuba. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to change the DNS to Google Public DNS so as to increase your browsing speed in your Windows. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to open your laptop. Once you're there, you search for Control Panel. Click on it. So this setting is for Windows 10, but if you are using Windows 7, you say like this or like this. So you simply click on Network and Shell Center. So it's still going to take you here, but we are going to go back and we are going to leave it in the category form. So we are going to click on what? Network and Internet. Once you get there, you are going to see the same thing. You click on View Network Status. So once you're there, you simply click on your internet connection. That is, if you are using the Wi-Fi, click on it. So after which, you simply click on what? Property. So after that, you simply need to click on what? Internet Protocol version 4. So we'll come here, we are going to click on what? Use the DMS server address. So guys, we are going to go to our browser. So this is a Google official site. So this is it here. We are going to simply insert 8.888. So come here. We are going to insert 8.888. So for the downer one, we are going to set 8.8.4.4. So once you are done with that, you simply need to click on what? OK. Okay. So guys, that is actually the way you actually change your DMS to Google Public DNS. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.